Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, in this tutorial for Nathan's 3D Factory, what we're going to do is a Blender tutorial where we're going to talk about collections in Blender. So, collections are a really cool feature that allow you to organize your scene very well. They can also provide for instancing, and they can do things like they can make you like hide your stuff, make them appear, make them not selectable, selectable, all types of cool things. So it's something that before in Blender we used to work with layers and they didn't have any names and you had a limit of 20. Now you can have as many collections as you want and you can put names to them, do all types of things, which makes them easily searchable in your outliner up here. So right here I have this house object along with a print bed. So this would be a 3D printable object, right? So, but anyway, that's just kind of a reference here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that right here we have this print bed. Everything is in the same scene collection right here, right? Well, I want that in something else, and so I'm going to do M to move it to a new collection. And we're going to make a new one. And I'm going to call this one reference. And I'm going to hit OK. Now, I want this so that this object and this everything that's in this collection for reference is not selectable. So I'm going to turn on this filter here. I'm going to get this arrow icon. I'm going to say selectable, and now this appears. So now I'm going to say I don't want that there. So I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of get all these other things out of here, like the light, all that stuff. G, not Z. Okay. And then I'm going to move that one and the camera just for the time being to reference. So now I'm not going to be able to select any of those objects right there, right? Z solid, I'm going to go back. Now we have all these other objects, right? And what I want to do is that I want to move them into separate collections. So I can make some really cool stuff here where I can do multiple collections with each of these objects. So on these, right here, I'm going to select these two objects, move them to a new collection, and I am going to call this collection Floor 1. And then I'm going to do these objects and do them to M, new collection, Floor 2. And then I'm going to do the same thing where I'm going to get a new collection and I'm going to do Roof. Now, one thing that I really like with these collections is not only the fact that you can make them as like object collections here. Let's see. Okay. But you can also nest them. So let's say I want to do all these objects and I want to add another collection. What I can do is say new collection, house. Now all these can go into that collection. And then all of a sudden you have these objects right here in your new collection of roof, or house I should say. Now if I were to turn this off, everything disappears in that particular collection, right? So, but if I have that one turned on, and then I say I want to turn off the roof, just the stuff in the roof collection goes. Then you can do the same with floor 2. Let's say that. Okay. This is really good for if you need to visualize things really quickly. And if you had more stuff in this collection, then it's really cool for the fact that you can get these nice schematics, organize them, do some really cool stuff. So anyway, so that is some really cool things that you can do for just making collections. So this is a really quick tip here for you just to show you the power of that. And I hope that you use this and that this is really helpful to you. So I thank you for watching this tutorial and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Thanks everyone. Bye.